Finding the perfect skincare product that both cleanses and moisturizes can feel like a never-ending challenge. Many face washes leave your skin dry, tight, or dull. But what if you could get a cleanser that also deeply hydrates? In today's video, we'll explore the best facial cleanser moisturizers that do exactly that. These 5 dermatologist-approved products not only clean your skin, but also replenish it with essential moisture, leaving you soft, supple, and glowing all day long. Let's get started with our number 1 pick. Kicking off our list at number 1, CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. The CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser is a cult favorite in skincare, and for good reason. Specially designed for normal to dry skin, it cleans without stripping natural oils or disrupting the protective barrier. Created by dermatologists, this cleanser removes dirt, makeup, and impurities while restoring essential hydration. It's perfect for those who want a simple, no-fuss solution that keeps their skin clean, calm, and moisturized every day. The formula provides a smooth, refreshing feel that supports healthy, radiant skin. Key features: the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser stands out for its unique combination of ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and amino acids. These ingredients work together to lock in moisture and reinforce the skin barrier. The non-filming, lotion-like texture gently lifts away impurities without irritation. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and accepted by the National Eczema Association, making it ideal for sensitive or compromised skin. Its MVE technology ensures continuous moisture release for all-day hydration even after rinsing. Benefits and usage. The biggest benefit of the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser is its ability to cleanse while replenishing lost hydration. To use, apply to wet skin, gently massage in circular motions, and rinse thoroughly. It leaves your skin feeling soft, balanced, and comforted. With regular use, you'll notice smoother texture, reduced dryness, and a radiant glow. It's suitable for both morning and night routines, working effectively as the first step in a moisturizing skincare regimen. Usability. This cleanser fits seamlessly into any skincare routine, especially for those struggling with dryness or sensitivity. Its creamy texture glides smoothly and rinses off clean without any greasy residue. It's gentle enough for daily use, even for people with eczema-prone skin. It pairs beautifully with CeraVe's moisturizers for added hydration. Whether you're removing makeup or freshening up your skin, it performs reliably every time, leaving your face feeling nourished and clean. Durability. The CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser is long-lasting. Just a small clump is enough for the entire face. Its stable formula retains consistency throughout use and performs well in different climates. The large bottle size ensures months of use, offering excellent value. Over time, users report noticeably improved skin moisture retention and fewer dry patches. This durability and dependability have made CeraVe one of the most trusted names in hydrating skincare worldwide. In the second spot, we have Cetaphil Daily Cleanser. The Cetaphil Daily Cleanser is a time-tested skincare staple designed to provide a deep cleanse while keeping the skin hydrated and balanced. Suitable for all skin types, it removes excess oil, dirt, and impurities without over-drying or causing irritation. Developed with dermatologists, this cleanser delivers a refreshing clean that leaves the skin feeling smooth and nourished. It's particularly beneficial for those with sensitive skin who want a gentle yet effective daily cleanser that promotes long-term moisture balance. Key features: Cetaphil Daily Cleanser is formulated with a blend of glycerin, vitamin B5, and panthenol that helps to maintain hydration while washing away impurities. It's soap-free, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic, ensuring maximum comfort for sensitive skin. The cleanser uses micellar technology to attract dirt and oil like a magnet without disrupting the skin's natural protective barrier. It's also pH balanced, helping your skin stay resilient and hydrated after every wash. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of Cetaphil Daily Cleanser lies in its gentle, hydrating formula that effectively cleanses without irritation. To use, apply to damp skin, massage gently in circular motions, and rinse thoroughly with water. After cleansing, your face feels fresh, soft, and balanced, never tight or dry. It works beautifully as both a morning cleanser and a makeup remover at night. Regular use helps maintain clear, hydrated skin that looks naturally radiant. Usability. Cetaphil's lightweight, creamy texture makes it suitable for daily use and compatible with other skincare products. It's versatile enough for various skin types, dry, normal, or combination, and can even be used multiple times a day without drying the skin. The formula spreads easily, rinses cleanly, and leaves behind a soft, moisturized finish. It's perfect for busy lifestyles and integrates effortlessly into any skincare regimen, offering simple yet effective hydration and cleanliness. Durability. A single bottle of Cetaphil Daily Cleanser lasts for months thanks to its concentrated formula. Its quality remains stable and consistent throughout use, providing reliable results over time. Users often report improvements in their skin's texture and hydration within weeks. The packaging is durable and convenient for travel or everyday use. With its long-lasting effects and proven track record, Cetaphil continues to be one of the most dependable hydrating cleansers on the market. Coming in at number 3 is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Gel Cleanser. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Gel Cleanser is a refreshing water-based formula designed to deliver intense hydration while cleansing the skin thoroughly. Ideal for normal to dry skin, this cleanser combines the cleansing power of a gel with the moisturizing effects of hyaluronic acid. It transforms into a silky lather that removes impurities, makeup, and excess oil without stripping the skin of essential moisture. It's a perfect pick for those who love a light, fresh, and deeply hydrating cleansing experience. Key features. This cleanser is powered by hyaluronic acid, a naturally occurring molecule that binds water to the skin to maintain hydration levels. The lightweight gel texture foams gently on contact with water, providing an invigorating cleanse. It's soap-free, oil-free, and paraben-free, making it gentle for sensitive skin. Dermatologist tested, it's suitable for daily use and works beautifully as a part of both morning and nighttime routines. The clean, non-greasy formula leaves your skin hydrated long after washing. Benefits and usage. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleanser excels at locking in moisture while delivering a thorough cleanse. To use, apply to wet skin, gently massage until it forms a soft lather, and rinse completely. The result is skin that feels refreshed, smooth, and supple. Its hydrating properties make it ideal for climates where dryness is common. Regular use enhances elasticity, promotes smoother texture, and gives your skin a youthful glow that lasts all day. Usability. The gel formula is lightweight and easy to use, spreading evenly without leaving residue. It's perfect for individuals who prefer a cooling sensation while cleansing. Suitable for all skin types, especially dehydrated or dull skin, it can be used as a standalone cleanser or combined with moisturizers from the Hydro Boost line for amplified hydration. The subtle fragrance adds a refreshing touch, and the formula rinses effortlessly without any greasy feel. Durability. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleanser offers excellent longevity. A small amount creates ample lather for each wash. Its stable gel consistency remains effective until the last use, ensuring consistent results over time. The sturdy packaging preserves the product's quality even in humid conditions. Long-term users report visible improvements in skin plumpness and moisture retention. It's a durable, high-performing cleanser that consistently delivers hydration, making it a top choice for moisture-focused skincare routines. Taking our 4th spot is Aveeno Positively Radiant. The Aveeno Positively Radiant Cleanser is a gentle yet powerful product designed to cleanse, moisturize, and brighten your skin in one go. Perfect for those who want a glowing, healthy complexion, this cleanser uses natural ingredients to enhance tone and texture. It removes dirt, makeup, and impurities while leaving your skin soft and luminous. Its combination of hydration and radiance-boosting power makes it one of the best cleanser moisturizer hybrids available for all skin types. Key features. The formula is enriched with Aveeno's signature soy complex, which helps even skin tone and texture while promoting brightness. It also includes gentle emollients and natural cleansers to keep the skin hydrated and refreshed.
Its hypoallergenic, oil-free, and non-comedogenic formula ensures it's safe for daily use. Its lightly foaming texture provides a satisfying clean while maintaining moisture balance, making it ideal for dull or uneven skin that needs revitalizing care. Usability. The Aveeno Positively Radiant Cleanser is extremely versatile and easy to use. Its gentle foaming texture suits all skin types, including sensitive and mature skin. It's ideal for both morning and evening use and pairs well with moisturizers or serums in the same range. The light, fresh fragrance and creamy consistency make it enjoyable to use daily. It fits seamlessly into your skincare routine and leaves skin feeling pampered and refreshed after every wash. Durability. The product's thick consistency means you only need a small amount per wash, making it long-lasting and cost-effective. Its formula remains stable and effective throughout its use, delivering consistent hydration and radiance. Many users notice visible results within weeks: smoother texture, even tone, and sustained moisture. The durable packaging prevents leaks and preserves freshness. Overall, this cleanser remains a reliable and high-quality option for maintaining bright and moisturized skin every day.
And finally, at number 5, we have La Roche-Posay Toleriane. The La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser is one of the most dermatologist-recommended products for balanced, hydrated skin. It's formulated for normal to dry or sensitive skin types, offering both cleansing and moisturizing benefits in one simple step. This cleanser removes makeup, impurities, and pollution particles while replenishing hydration and strengthening the skin barrier. It's a perfect daily essential for those who value gentle care and superior hydration in their skincare routine. Key features. The formula contains prebiotic thermal water, ceramides, and niacinamide, powerful ingredients that restore the skin's protective barrier and prevent moisture loss. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free, ensuring zero irritation. The creamy, non-foaming texture soothes dry and sensitive skin, providing long-lasting comfort. Its dermatologist-tested formula ensures it's safe for even the most delicate skin conditions, delivering professional-level results right at home. Usability. This cleanser is highly user-friendly and fits easily into any skincare routine. It's ideal for morning and nighttime use, especially for those with dry or reactive skin. The creamy consistency glides smoothly and rinses clean without residue. It pairs well with moisturizers or serums for enhanced hydration. Its non-comedogenic formula makes it suitable for all ages and skin types, offering an easy and effective cleansing experience every time. Durability. The La Roche-Posay Toleriane Cleanser is long-lasting and dependable. A small amount goes a long way, providing months of use. Its stable formulation ensures consistent results from start to finish. The packaging is durable and easy to handle, maintaining product quality even in warm or humid environments. Over time, users experience stronger, smoother, and more hydrated skin. It's a reliable, dermatologist-approved cleanser that proves hydration and cleanliness can go hand in hand. And there you have it, 5 of the best facial cleanser moisturizers that cleanse deeply while keeping your skin hydrated and radiant. From the ceramide-rich CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser to the soothing La Roche-Posay Toleriane, each product brings its own unique blend of moisture and care. Remember, a great cleanser should leave your skin feeling refreshed, not stripped. Choose the one that fits your skin type and let your natural glow shine through. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more expert skincare reviews.